ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ കൂടി നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് മാത്സിലെ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കാണ്. കൺവേർട്ട് 1/3 ഇൻറ്റു പെർസെൻറ്റേജ്. ഏതൊരു ഫ്രാക്ഷനെയും പെർസെൻറ്റേജിലോട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ദാറ്റ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഇൻറ്റു 100. സോ ഇവിടെ 1/3 ഇൻറ്റു 100 ഈക്വൽ ടു 33.33% എന്ന ആൻസർ കിട്ടും. Second question, convert 0.1 into percentage. 0.1 into 100 equal to 10%. Express 2:5 as percentage. 2:5 എന്ന റേഷ്യോ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആയിട്ട് 2/5 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ 2/5 into 100 equal to 40%. What is 66.66% of 318? ഇവിടെ 66.66% എന്നുള്ളത് 66.66 by 100 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ 318 into 66.66 divided by 100 equal to 318 into 2/3 equal to 212. The answer is 212. Ratan bought a car at a discount of 16.67% on the listed price from an automobile company. If the listed price of the car is 6,60,000, then find the amount of discount. In this question, the price of the car is 6,60,000 rupees and the discount is 16.67%, that is 1/6. Amount of discount equal to 1/6 into 6,60,000 equal to 1,10,000 rupees. The answer is 1,10,000 rupees. In an election between two candidates, one got 52% of the valid votes. 25% of the total votes were invalid. The total number of votes were 8,400. How many valid votes did the other person get? Here, percentage of votes equal to 52%, percentage of invalid votes equal to 25%. Total number of votes equal to 8,400. And total valid votes equal to 75 divided by 100 into 8,400. Other person's valid vote equal to 48% of total valid votes is equal to 48 by 100 into 75 by 100 into 8,400. The final answer is 3,024. A student has to secure a minimum 35% marks to pass in an examination. If he gets 200 marks and fails by 10 marks, then the maximum marks are. In this question, minimum mark percentage equal to 35%, secured mark equal to 200 marks. Minimum mark to pass equal to 200 plus 10 equal to 210 marks. Minimum mark equal to 210 into 100 by 35 equal to 600 marks. The answer is 600 marks. 0.15% of 33.33% of 10,000 is 0.15 divided by 100 into 33.33 divided by 100 into 10,000 equal to 5. The answer is 5. If x is 90% of y, then what percentage of x is y? X equal to 90% of y, that is given. X by y equal to 90 divided by 100. Then required percentage equal to 100 by 90 into 100 equal to 111.1 percentage. The answer is 111.1 percentage. If rent paid by Aruna increased from rupees 12,500 per month to 13,600 per month, then find the increase percentage in rent paid by Aruna. In this question, first we find the difference, that is 30,600 minus 12,500 equal to 1,100 rupees. Increase percentage equal to 1,100 divided by 12,500 into 100 equal to 8.8 percentage. The answer is 8.8 percentage. The tank full petrol in Arun's motorcycle lasts for 10 days. If he starts using 25% more every day, how many days will the tank full petrol last? Increased usage percentage equal to 100 plus 25. New days equal to 10 into 100 by 125 equal to 8 days. The answer is 8 days. 72% of the students of a certain class took biology and 44% took mathematics. If each student took at least one subject from biology or mathematics and 40 took both, then the total number of students in the class is. In this question, first we calculate the percentage of students from both the subject. 72 plus 44 minus 100% equal to 16%. 16% is the percentage of students from both subjects. Here the 60% is 40 students. Then total students equal to 40 into 100 by 16 equal to 215 students. The total students is 250 students.